What my life has evolved into with cars and drifting is something that I never thought it would ever become. Take it back to my teenage years. I didn't want anything to do with a car. I wasn't that guy helping my dad build something in the garage, and I wasn't enrolled in high school auto shop. All I wanted to do was skate. My mom gave me my first car, a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle that I didn't have long because at the time, I didn't know you had to change oil in it, so eventually the engine sludged over and blew up. After that, I bought a '93 Honda Civic, and that's really where the world of modifying cars was opened up to me. I didn't start by putting stickers on my cars or changing rims. I went after the serious stuff. I wanted to start swapping engines, but I could barely change my own oil, so knowing I wanted this lifestyle long term, I knew I needed to get educated. I graduated from Universal Technical Institute in 2007. Straight from there, I started working for Toyota at the dealerships. A solid career path, but the racing and drifting side of the automotive world has always been the passion part of it for me. Japanese culture and their car culture has always got my attention. I've always been into imports. I never dabbled much with American muscle, except for the engines I built in my cousin's machine shop. There's something about Japanese cars in particular to me. Their attention to detail, their knowledge of components and maximizing all their potential, and most importantly, their care and pride in what they do. I believe that the reputation you get is a direct representation of what you surround yourself with. It's like your mom always told you, if you hang out with the bad kids, you will be known as one. I've always gone against the grain though. I don't fall into social pressures or base what I like and don't like off other people's opinions or views. I like to figure it out for myself. Without being so stubborn and headstrong, I don't think I would have wound up where I'm at now. Thankful for everything I've achieved, I know I have so much learning and progress to go. Crooked Crown is the ground floor of where I'm headed, and my only direction is up.